Yo, what's up? I'm Coach Rich Thurman, also known as Coach RT3, and today we're going to talk about some things that you can do from the side kick-through position to enhance and strengthen your hip joint. Before we get started, make sure you smash the subscribe button so you never miss a post from me. The side kick-through or sit-through position is a great training opportunity. So we're going to get in the side kind of sit-through position here. Now the important thing about this position that we should understand is what's happening with the hip joint. Right now the hip joint is in external rotation. So I could rotate and try to get more internal rotation. So I can take this bone and try and rotate it that way so that my foot is facing up towards the sky. So I can try and rotate there, and I can try and squeeze out more external rotation by trying to take the pinky toe towards the floor. So I can learn a little bit about what's going on in the hip joint by using that axial rotation there. One of the other things that we should understand is that you can work and train your hip flexion from here. So right here, at this point, I can lift off and engage my hip flexors while they're in external rotation. I can try and move into more internal rotation and lift off. And I can move into more external rotation and lift off. One of the things I can also do is I can close down that angle a little bit more and just do an isometric. So from here I can't lift off, but I can do an isometric and contract all that tissue here. So there's tons of options that you can do from different end positions of things that you love to do. There's ways to train and opportunities to get some of that extra money that's being left on the table. If you like this video, share it with someone who does animal flow or anybody who wants stronger hips. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you never miss a post again.